connections. We're out here at Tecumseh local school district. And we just installed a brand new radio on a brand new bus. Let's go check it out. Love putting radios in brand new buses. So nice and clean and pretty. City schools, I showed you that one. Oh, well, here's the best coverage in Clark County. So. Alright guys, have a good day.